Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country, and you join me on yet another glorious summer's day. And I'm here at Barton House. We're at Stowford in a wonderful setting, sheltered, tranquil, just an amazing spot to enjoy what this home has to offer. The property has 4 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms, and is set up beautifully as a family home. It also has one of the advantages of a lovely big garden and a plot in total which is over 2.2 acres. I love the way internally there's a spacious kitchen dining room, a separate formal dining room, and also a lounge which is dual aspect. On the first floor, each of the bedrooms are large enough to accommodate a double bed, and there's a superior family shower room with a separate bath as well. The gardens themselves are a lovely blend of formal areas for seating, relaxing, and in this particular property there's always a place to be able to escape to enjoy the corners of this wonderful setting. The property benefits from solar panels, which helps subsidise the electricity costs, as well as a private drainage system and super fast broadband connectivity. One of the key features of the outside space is the sloping paddock, which has a huge crop of vines, something you don't find every day in a typical property, but is a real asset and feature and epitomises the lifestyle attributed to living in this wonderful property. So we've seen all of the key elements of this property, the wonderful grounds, the spacious accommodation, the absolutely beautiful setting. I really don't feel you can find a position any better than this. So for more information on Barton House, we'd love to tell you more. Please contact Fine & Country in 01566 771919. Thank you.